Okay, here's a reshoot of attempting to open up the top glass for the iPad 6th generation. I can't really say that right. A little bit of a list, but A1893, and it is the 6th generation right there. We're going to use a timer this time, just so that the subscribers of TikTok can see just how fast a typical top glass removal should take with the right tools, right settings. And it's not that going fast is going to improve your repairs, but it's like a test of your abilities. Well, I would like to believe so. But anyways, before you begin any sort of repair, just make sure that you have the general condition of the phone, like scratches here. Annotate the serial number. Test the rear camera. Here you go. Let's see the general condition. Get the where's the serial number? It should be somewhere around here. There it is, serial number. I just checked the front camera. I'm sorry, I checked the rear camera. Oh, we have a way to check the battery. Here's the battery percentage. Not bad. Here we go. Let's see here. Checking the camera. Oh, here's the rear camera, and ready for the front camera test too. Oh, look, here's the front camera test. It's looking good as well. Nice, clean, clear. We want to make sure that all the functions and features are the same before the repair, progress of the repair. Preserve the Wi-Fi signal strength, and if there's any this one doesn't have LTE reception. And check the general condition of the frame too. Doesn't look like it's bent. So let's go ahead and begin this process. The time is now 9:41 at Tuesday the 21st, 2021. Let's go ahead and tap on start so that we can get the ball rolling on this. Oh, can't see it on the video if I put it like that. Let's put it over here so this way you can kind of see the timer running as well. So let's go ahead and without further ado, tap on start. Boom. Now we activate the thermal air circulator. Look at the reflection of the heat gun. It should be like bright red, thermal red coming up soon. There it is. See it? Now we reach inside of our trusty C3PO toolkit. Add a little bit of juju juice in here, okay? A little bit juju juice. Heat it up, like so, and it's time to penetrate. Notice the angle in which I'm penetrating. Heat it up some more. Go. Alright. Heat it up some more. And of course, get your BG picks ready too. Put on like so. Like that. Pass a little bit of heat along the top like so. Hope you guys can see that. If not, I'll reshoot another video so you guys can see. Alright. Take your time, don't rush it. Now I have a lot of picks ready. This one's just a placeholder down here. Just so that it doesn't open up down there. Okay. It's all about applying the right level of heat, having the right tools, and patience is the key. Don't rush it. Take your time. And then, and always have a set of gloves on, okay? Because these chemicals are quite harsh. But they're doing this to such that they're easy. So imagine what they're doing to their hands as it's seeping and penetrating your hands. So definitely use a set of gloves while working on cell phone repairs like this. Notice that the solvent just goes right through. And the timer is about 3 minutes now. Definitely use a lot of fast heat. So see how the pucks just go, slices right through the adhesive with, and if there's not enough juice in the puck, just do it a couple of drops only. Alright. And now it's time to remove the pucks. And this model will open it from this side. Just slip your finger there. One finger will do. And spread it out like so. And open it like a mystery, as I always say. Notice the timer is on 5 minutes now.